So today, let's see what Sound.me is all about, and also TikTok. The two are separate companies. TikTok is a platform that allows creators to create their content and share it out. Content can be anything that you wish to share with your viewers on TikTok. They in form of short videos, which you can create either directly from TikTok app, or you record outside TikTok app and edit with editing softwares like we will be doing. And also check my alternative channel where I've done several short videos. These short videos you can upload on your TikTok, or you can upload on your YouTube as YouTube Shorts or Facebook Reels or Instagram Reels. So you can cross post on all those social media platforms. So then how do you make money? With TikTok, there are many ways you can earn with your content, but the major way which you can earn direct cash, real cash, which you can withdraw, is by using promoted sounds. So this is where now Sound.me comes in. Sound.me have two platforms. One is for sponsor, and the other one is for creators. So sponsor are the ones who provide promoted sounds to the creators. Then creators use these sounds in their content and exclusively use this sound without any other background sound or noise. Then for all the views generated through the content, they calculate to your earning. And these earnings are capped by the sponsor. So what happens? Sponsors will register on Sound.me, provide a sound that they wish to promote, give instructions. These instructions can be either you're in that video or they dictate what content you create. They also provide their budget, the maximum spending that a creator will earn. So every campaign has its own maximum earning, and you can't surpass that unless there are bonuses. So then how does it work? So a sponsor will come in with a sound they want to promote. So they create a campaign around that sound. They give desired instructions to the creators. Then they also dictate what they are targeting. It could be sector, it could be specific area, say football, motor world, dancing. So once they set what they're targeting, they then issue their budget, how much they wish to spend, and more settings that they issue to Sound.me. Then Sound.me will create that campaign. So once the campaign is set up, now the creators will come and sign in. These now TikTok content creators will sign up. Then if the account matches the sponsor's requirements, they'll get the campaign on their inbox. I've done a video on how to join both TikTok and also to join Sound.me. You can check on the playlist in the description. So once you join, there are no minimum requirements. There is no minimum number of followers which are required. You can join, you can create TikTok account and join Sound.me immediately. You just make sure you have at least one video on your TikTok account. That's the main requirement. You can check additional requirements on the video I've done before. So there is no manual review that is done. So you just connect directly, and once you sign up. On your inbox you get campaigns. These campaigns will have instructions, the budget, and the deadline. So you just view the instructions to make sure the content that you're making is aligned to sponsors' requirements. Then, if you're willing to take up the amount that is shown as a budget, then you need to accept and make sure you create the content before the deadline. If possible, create the content immediately you get campaign inbox. You just accept so that it goes to accepted. Then you go to your TikTok, create the content, use the sound from sound.me for that campaign. I've done a video now to accept campaign. So once you accept that campaign and you use that video, that sound, so you use that sound exclusively on that content. So you mute all other sounds. So when you're adding sounds, it gives you an option to adjust volume. You just click on it, then you mute original. You move the slider for volume for original to 0. Then for added sound, you leave it 100. So this added sound is the one that is coming from sound.me. So that's the sound you use exclusively because you're promoting that sound. Then you post your TikTok. Once you post, you copy the link to that TikTok video. You come to sound.me in the accepted tab, paste the link where it says paste link. Then you click submit. It will move to active tab. All the views generated, all the views from the time you created video until it becomes active will still count to your earning. And that will continue until campaign deadline or you hit the maximum spending, but the views will still calculate. You can surpass the set maximum budget unless there are bonuses. Now on reaching deadline or as set by the sponsor or as validated by the sponsor, your campaign will be completed and it goes to completed. Yeah, if the additional validations that need to be done, your campaign will have a dark gray background. So that means that campaign have not been finalized and your earnings have not been made available for you, but they are calculating at the total earnings. So once the campaign is completed, that is validation is done and completed, it will have a light gray background or whitish depending me I'm a color blinder, so it's more of a whitish background. So that means that money is now available for you, and if you go to your dashboard and available, you see that amount added. And once you reach $5 or more, once you surpass the minimum withdraw amount, you can then withdraw that amount to your PayPal. So as of this video, the least amount you need to have in the account to withdraw is $5. So the get paid button will be active and you can click on it, verify that the email that you gave when opening and validating your settings. You can check the video that I've done on how to validate your settings and add more details once you create account. So one of them is the PayPal email. So you verify that is the same email you want to be paid with. As of this video, they will allow you to add another email. If that is a long one, you can always amend before you request. Then you submit. It will take a few days, then you get that money into your PayPal account. So you get an email from PayPal confirming the receipt of funds. And you can go either use it to do shopping or withdraw it to your mobile money or withdraw it to your bank if you have added your bank details on PayPal. You can check the link to the video on how to create a PayPal account and link it to your bank, or even how to withdraw to your mobile money. So that's how Saw.me works. So Saw.me is not affiliated with TikTok. They are two separate companies. One is a platform where you create content, that is TikTok. And the other one is a platform where you use promoted sounds to make money. Or if you're a sponsor, you provide the sound to promote. So in the next one now, we'll be going into details of how you accept campaigns on Saw.me app and start making money. You can check the previous videos on how you can accept campaigns on a web-based portal. The same logic also applies on the app. So I'd like to thank you so much for the support so far.